So, having worked with PCA products for several years, I do their marketing. Recently, I had our condo screen door, builder grade screen door broke again. And so this was the perfect opportunity for me to have a PCA product screen door installed. Now I can see for myself exactly how long it takes for a first-time contractor to install a PCA screen door. So I found Dennis. He had never installed a PCA screen door before. And this is a little snippet of him installing my door. You'll see that he started the project at 2:26 and he ended the project about 45 minutes later. Dennis was impressed when I told him that you can put 550 pounds of pressure against the screen door without it blowing out, and you could even hang 5 men on the frame without having it bend. I think you're going to enjoy Dennis. Thanks for watching. Have you installed one of these doors before?
Well, I've installed like a whole porch before. Yeah.
So, screen doors is no big deal.
Screen door is no big deal, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sending this to my client PCA. I want to show them how long it takes you to install it, having never done it before.
Right. Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right.
So this is Dennis, the breakfast guru.
The breakfast guru. Yeah, these will definitely needs to be shorter.
Okay.
Yeah, because your bottom sweep and the top.
That's typical, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this parts here, they come in a little bit longer.
Okay.
And then you cut it instead.
Okay, got it. So there you have it. My new PCA screen door installed in about 45 minutes, and it looks great. This door is a Westmore or an A500 screen door. It's in the Bungalow collection. Westmore is one of the 6 most popular PCA door styles. So if you want to check out the other most popular door styles, you can go to the collections section on the PCAproducts.com website.